Hey there, all you hardworking folks. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got a video that's all about fueling your workday with some fantastic and healthy snacks. Whether you're at the office, working from home, or on the go, these snack ideas are sure to keep you on your A game. Let's dive in. Before we get into the snacks, let's quickly discuss why healthy snacks are so important. They can help stabilize your energy levels, improve focus, and prevent that dreaded mid-afternoon slump. Plus, they're just plain good for your overall well-being. 1. Greek yogurt parfait. First up, we have a Greek yogurt parfait. Take some plain Greek yogurt, add a drizzle of honey, a handful of fresh berries, and some granola. It's a protein-packed, satisfying snack that'll keep you full and energized. 2. Nut butter with apple slices. Another simple yet nutritious option is nut butter paired with apple slices. Almond or peanut butter with crisp apple slices is a fantastic combo that provides healthy fats and fiber. 3. Hummus and veggie sticks. Hummus and veggie sticks are a go-to. Carrot, celery, and cucumber sticks paired with creamy hummus make a crunchy, flavorful snack that's rich in vitamins and fiber. 4. Mixed nuts. If you're in need of a quick, grab-and-go snack, mixed nuts are your best friend. They're loaded with healthy fats and protein. Just remember portion control, a small handful will do the trick. 5. Rice cakes with avocado. For a satisfying and savory option, spread some mashed avocado on rice cakes. Add a sprinkle of salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes for a kick. It's a perfect blend of healthy fats and complex carbs. 6. Trail mix. A homemade trail mix with a mix of nuts, dried fruits, and a touch of dark chocolate chips is a great option for those with a sweet tooth. It provides the perfect balance of energy and flavor. 7. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese with pineapple chunks is a delightful, protein-rich snack that's not only tasty but also excellent for muscle recovery. 8. Energy bites. Lastly, we have energy bites. You can make these at home with oats, honey, chia seeds, and your choice of nuts or seeds. They're easy to prepare and perfect for a quick boost of energy. There you have it, folks. A variety of healthy snacks to keep you fueled and focused during your workday. Make sure to keep these options on hand, and you'll be saying goodbye to the vending machine and hello to a healthier, more productive day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on health, nutrition, and productivity. And if you have any favorite healthy snacks or additional suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Let's help each other stay on track with our healthy eating goals. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay productive.